Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to get Office 365 with 1TB OneDrive storage using the easiest method possible. This is perfect if your OneDrive storage is getting full or if you want access to premium apps like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upgrade your account, choose the right plan, and activate your extra storage in just a few minutes. So with that said, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the OneDrive website. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive on the OneDrive homepage where all your files and folders are stored. And find your storage section. Here, you'll usually see how much storage space you are currently using. Next, click the option called Buy Storage or sometimes Upgrade. Microsoft changes the layout occasionally, so if you don't see it immediately, check inside the Settings menu or Account section. Once you click it, a new page will open showing the available OneDrive and Microsoft 365 plans. You'll normally see a few different options. The first option is usually the basic plan. This plan normally gives around 100 gigabytes of storage. It's useful for light users, but if you store a lot of photos, videos, or backups, it may not be enough. Next, you'll see the Microsoft 365 Personal Plan. This is the option most people choose because it includes 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage, which equals 1,000 gigabytes. That's a huge amount of space for documents, videos, school projects, work files, and phone backups. You also get premium Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and additional cloud features. You may also see the Family Plan. This plan usually includes up to 6 terabytes of storage shared between multiple users. If you only need storage for yourself, the Personal Plan is usually the easiest and best option. Now, select the Personal Plan. After selecting it, click Buy Now or Get Started. Microsoft will now take you to the payment page. Here, you'll need to enter your payment details. You can usually pay using a debit card, credit card, or other supported payment methods depending on your country. Carefully review the billing information before continuing. Now, wait a few seconds while Microsoft processes the payment. After the payment is successful, your account will automatically upgrade to 1 terabyte of storage. You should now see your new 1 terabyte storage plan active inside OneDrive. You can also open apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint directly from your Microsoft account dashboard. One helpful tip is to check your storage again after upgrading to confirm the extra space has been added properly. If you were previously running out of storage, you should now see plenty of free space available. Another useful thing to know is that your files stay exactly where they are after upgrading. Nothing gets deleted or moved, so the process is very safe and simple. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Also, if you have any questions or run into any issues during the upgrade process, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.